This is for revenge.
Then be prepared to fail.
The script. What you'll learn in this module. What a script is in AI filmmaking. How to prompt AI with intention. How to use a structured script formula. How to direct AI like a movie director. And finally, you will learn how to write a usable script for animation.
What is a script in AI filmmaking? First off, the script. The script is the story you want to tell. In traditional filmmaking, the script is the blueprint. It tells the story, who is in it, what happens, and where it happens. It's the guide that directors, actors, and the crew follow to bring a movie to life. In AI filmmaking, the script has a double role. It's still a blueprint, but it also has to be something more, a list of prompts. Why? Because instead of directing human actors on a stage or a set, we are directing AI to generate images. That means the script has to describe not just the story, but also the visuals, the environment, the characters, and their actions in a way that AI can understand. So, in AI filmmaking, the script is blueprint plus prompts. The blueprint keeps the story consistent. The prompts turn it into clear, image generation ready instructions that make your script and your film visual. Here is a script as blueprint only.
Alex sits at a table nervously stirring his coffee. He checks the door every few seconds. Riley enters, tense and silent. She spots Alex and walks toward him. Alex looks up, forces a smile. Riley doesn't return it.
Now we've transformed that script into an AI filmmaking script. Notice how we've added prompts that describe the environment, the characters, and actions in a way AI can generate. The blueprint keeps the story straight, the anchor. It anchors the story, but the prompts make it visual. How to prompt AI with intention. To prompt AI with intention, there are two things you must know. One is non-negotiable, and the other are extra choices you make to give you more control. Now, the non-negotiable are 4 big choices. These are the foundations of every AI script. Number 1, the audience. Who is this for? Is this for a teenager, adults, a global audience, a local audience? You need to know your audience. Number 2, the genre. What type of story is this? Is it sci-fi, anime? Is it horror? Is it fantasy, rom-com? You need to define this. Number 3, the theme. What's the big idea here? Is it betrayal? Is it friendship? Is it courage? Is it revenge? What is it about? And finally, number 4, the emotion, or what you call the vibe. What do you want people to feel? Is it funny? Is it sad? Is it scary? Is it exciting or hopeful? Now, these are the non-negotiables. Even if you include only these 4, AI will give you a much better script. In addition to these 4 big choices, there are extra choices you could use to give you a bit more control of your script. Like, you could tell AI what the setting is. Is it outer space? Is it in high school? You could also define the characters as goofy or serious-minded. These are some extra choices you could add on to make your script a bit more precise to what you want. Structured script prompt formula. Know the prompt structure formula. Structure your prompt like this. Write A, include the genre. Short film script for include the audience. The theme is include the theme. The story should make the audience feel, add the emotion. Include scenes or elements you want. Is it like comedy, a fight scene, or a twist ending? And then keep it around, add your word count. Format it with Act 1 setup, for instance, Act 2, perhaps a conflict, and Act 3, resolution. This is your prompt structure for your script. Now, here's an example prompt using this structure. Write a sci-fi short film script for a teenage audience. The theme is friendship and courage. The story should feel funny, but also emotional. It must include one epic fight scene at school and a surprising twist ending. Keep it under 600 words. Format it with Act 1, Act 2, and Act 3. Here is another example with the same elements, but in a more conversational flow.
Craft a horror short film for a mature teen or adult audience. Its theme is about facing your fears, with the goal of making viewers feel terrified and unsettled. Think an abandoned house, eerie whispers, and a shocking final reveal. The story should span about 1,000 words and follow a 3-act rise in tension.
Find more sample prompts in the additional materials section. How to direct AI like a filmmaker. If the script isn't right, ask AI to change it. You are the director, remember that. AI is just your crew. So here's what you do. You could ask for variations. For instance, give me 3 versions of this script in different genres. You could ask AI to refine the dialogue. For instance, rewrite the dialogue in a TikTok-style voice. You could ask for options. For instance, write 2 different endings, one happy and one sad. You could ask AI to expand a scene. For instance, expand Act 2 into 3 smaller scenes with more tension. Don't be afraid to ask multiple times until it feels right. That's how real filmmakers work. They rewrite. How to write usable scripts for animation. Okay, filmmakers. So you have a script you are happy with. Now for the fun part. We are going to tell AI to transform your script into ready-to-use prompts structured for image generation workflows. Basically, we're going to tell AI to make your script visual so we can create the images of the scenes and the characters ready for animation. Let's get started. So what we're doing now is instructing AI to take the script which we have and break it into scene by scene prompts for AI image generation. We want the AI to create scene and environment prompts as well as the character and action prompts. Now let's go put this all into practice so you actually see how this plays out. So now we put into practice everything we've learned so far. We are going to instruct AI to create a script for us. We shall be using ChatGPT, and you can go to chatgpt.com. First, let's use a prompt without structure. Write a script about two friends. Make it funny and sad. What do you get? A boring and flat story. No real direction, no clear emotions. Feels more like a diary entry than a movie. That's because the AI did not know your vision. Now, let's give it proper structure. Write a 3-minute short film for a teenage audience. The genre is comedy drama. The theme is growing up and saying goodbye. The main characters are Maya, a sarcastic 16-year-old girl, and Jordan, her goofy best friend. The story should start funny but end with an emotional goodbye because Jordan is moving away. Format it as Act 1, Act 2, and Act 3 with clear dialogue. You could go over your prompt to check for spelling and typing mistakes, but don't be too bothered with this because AI will understand what to do as long as the structure and the context is there. What do you get? A story that feels like a short film. Strong characters with personality, a beginning, middle, and end. Emotions that actually land. Now, this is where you stop being a random writer and start becoming a director.
It's time to pause and practice. Now it's your turn. Write an unstructured bad prompt and a structured good prompt. Compare them. What makes one better? Now, share your examples and reflections in the form below.
Now, let's direct the script. Let's make it visual. We will transform the script into an image generation ready script. Go back in the script on ChatGPT and write. Now create scene or environment prompts and character plus action prompts in every scene. Format for immediate use in AI image generation workflows. Here's what AI has done. It's broken the script into prompts for each scene and character. We can now see where the action is happening, the setting, and what the characters are doing, their actions. Notice how descriptive this is. These prompts are exactly what we'll need later when we start generating images.
It's time to pause and practice. Now it's your turn to prompt. Prompt. Turn this script into AI image generation ready prompts with scene, character, and action prompts. Try rewording the prompt in a way that feels natural to you. For example, you could say, make this script image generation ready with scene, character, and action prompts. Did you prefer the result of the reworded prompt? Share your reworded prompt and your observations in the forum below.
Let's recap everything we've learned so far. First, we learned that in AI filmmaking, the script isn't just a story. It is a blueprint and a list of prompts. Then we learned how to create that blueprint by making the 4 big choices that define the script's intention. We also practiced how to structure prompts properly for script writing, so the AI gives us the best outcomes. And finally, we learned how to direct the script, transforming it from a simple blueprint into an AI filmmaking script. Descriptive, structured, and fully image generation ready. Next, we're going to start character and scene image generation. But one more thing before we go. There is a secret trick a lot of directors use to make their scripts a bit more powerful, and you should know it. It's called camera shots. What are camera shots? Camera shots are simply how we choose to frame a scene. Do we show the whole world? Do we zoom in on what the characters are doing? Or do we get up close to their emotions? There are many camera shots in filmmaking, but let's focus on 3. Wide, medium, and close-up. These 3 are the foundation. They cover the setting, action, and emotion, the building blocks of any story. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and add some camera shots to our script. As you can see at the end of the script, ChatGPT is asking us if we want to break our script into a camera shot list. It's giving us a few examples: wide shot, over the shoulder, and close up. We are gonna go and say yes, do it. You can see that ChatGPT has given us a range of shot options, from wide shots to medium wide shots, and so many more. In the additional materials section, you will find an exhaustive list of camera shots.